Chinese smartphone manufacturer XIAOMI on June 12 announced the Redmi 6 and Redmi 6A in its home country. Both the phones sport an 18:9 aspect ratio screen, MediaTek Helio-series processor, artificial intelligence-aided face unlock mechanism and the recently announced MIUI 10 operating system. This phone sports a 5.45-inch, 720 by 1440 HD plus IPS screen stretched in 18:9 aspect ratio. Powered by MediaTek Helio P22 system-on-chip, an octa-core processor built on power-efficient 12nm technology, the phone comes in two storage and RAM configurations -3GB/32GB and 4GB/64GB. In terms of imaging, the phone sports 12-megapixel and 5MP dual rear cameras on the back and a 5MP camera on the front for selfies. The phone sports fingerprint sensor on the back and houses 3000 mAh battery under the hood. This phone also sports a 5.45-inch, 720 by 1440 HD plus IPS screen stretched in 18:9 aspect ratio. However, it is powered by MediaTek Helio A22 system-on-chip, a dual-core processor built on power-efficient 12nm technology. The phone comes with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD card. In terms of imaging, the phone sports a 13MP camera on the back and a 5MP camera on the front for selfies. Interestingly, the phone does not sport fingerprint sensor but relies on AI-backed face unlock mechanism, along with usual PIN, password and pattern-based unlock option. The Redmi 6 with 3GB/32GB and 4GB/64GB RAM and internal storage variants are priced at $125 and $155, respectively. On the other hand, the Redmi 6A is priced at $95. Both the phones would go on sale in China starting June 15. India launch and pricing is not yet confirmed.